Alright, we got a truck. See if he'll pull. Double!
Oh, let's go!
We actually got a car? Oh my god, we have more. We have more.
Yes, we have more, sir. Oh, you better honk that
Oh
horn.
wait, no, stop. Nice! I got this one.
I don't think he's gonna honk.
Yeah, I don't think he
I
has.
just pistol.
Nice. Oh, we got another one. It's like a garbage truck, I think.
That sounded amazing.
Yeah, look, got one down right there. All right, let's go. Nice.
Oh, we're getting a street.
Yeah. All right, we got one. Dang it.
Hook a fit.
All right. Dang, that was a nice one. Yeah. Thank you. That was amazing. It's a little. Nice. I got a car to honk. Nice. That was a little bit of a louder one. Hey, look, we got another truck. That was a little bit of a louder one. All right, I'm gonna pause the video till this guy starts to get moving. Oh, well. It's a Mac. That was a little quiet. All right, we got another one. Hold on, don't honk yet. Now we go. He's getting stopped. Nice one. All right, truck spotting and rail finning. Got like 7 more trucks. Nice. All right, got a garbage truck. I've not heard a garbage truck horn before, so. Wow, that was very quiet.
We got a FedEx truck.
Oh yeah, we got more.
We got one from down this side.
Got so much. Nice one. Up. Nice. We have a giant streak. Oh my god. So much. There's so much trucks. Okay, we got our stink truck.
He's jumping.
Nice one.
Let's go.
Yes! Let's freaking go. Alright.
Come on now. Come on, keep going.
Alright. Got one. Oh, don't. Okay, there we go. This one stinks. Oh, he had no horn. Sad.
Oh no, he didn't have a horn. We got one coming down there.
Okay. Just. Nice one.
He middle fingered on us. He was like.
No, he didn't.
He did.
A UPS truck.
Got another one.
We got so many now. Dang it.
Oh, he's stupid.
Up. This is. I don't know if this is gonna have a horn. Oh, look! Nice one. For real. Yes. We have like a green garbage. Oh, it's a GFL. Nice. Yes. was amazing. It's gonna be like a little horn. I think we have a Peterbilt. I swear I just heard a train. Oh, come on. You did not honk. I swear I heard a train though. It's just a cab. Nice one. That was like a.
Oh, let's go.
We got a car one too. Wow. Connor. Nice. That was an amazing one. That was a great one, actually. Yeah, we got two. Actually, three. That's trucks. Nice one.
Hi. I've been down. Hi.
Okay, they got another one. Nice one. Nice one. Okay, stop. Wait, hold on, he stopped. Okay. Stop it, Connor. Woo! Woo! He's still going! He's still going! Hey! That was an amazing. Awesome! Alright, bye guys!